Hey guys, it's Brandon Wells from the Blue Crew at Coldwell Banker Legacy, and in today's FlexMLS tips and tricks, we're going to talk about creating and customizing your quick searches. Now, before you watch this video, I would strongly recommend that you go back and watch the Customizing My Views video, because that'll help you start in a easier starting position. So from this video, when we're going to start, in order to customize our search, we're going to go up to Preferences, and then we are going to go to My Quick Searches. Now, just like the views video, you'll notice that we are provided with some search templates, and they all say inherited, meaning they came over from the MLS as some default templates. Now, what you can do is you can go and create your own new template, or if you want to just go ahead and take one of the existing templates, like say the residential inherited, and you can go in and edit it by clicking Edit. Now, when you click on Edit, you're going to want to rename this search template. And again, my suggestion would be to put 01 and then dash and then maybe Brandon's view or Brandon's search. How about? And then under property types, because I want this to be a residential search, I'm going to select residential. And then under default view, this is the list view, I'm going to select my previously created Brandon's view. Now I'm going to click on Next. And on the right-hand side is the layout or all the fields that are included in this template for searching. And on the left is the available fields for which I could select and add to my template layout. So for example, over here on the right, let's say I don't utilize the full bath, 3/4 bath, and half bath, that I always just utilize the total bath field. I may want to get rid of these additional fields here, so I select them and click on Remove. Now, I might not always search by pool, so I don't want that over there, so I can remove that. Now, let's say, for example, I've got it the way I like it, and you can reorganize them by clicking on an item, moving it up, or moving it down to put it in the order you prefer. But if you're looking for something like, say, subdivision, I would come over here in an alphabetical order. I would select over here and go find subdivision, and then click the Add button down below. And now you'll see it adds subdivision at the bottom. So I can move it up. And now when I'm done and I get this organized the way I want, I'm going to click Next on the bottom of the screen. So when I click Next, you'll now see on my available quick search templates, I have Brandon's search. So when I go up and do Search, Quick Search, notice that it defaults first to Brandon's search. When I click on Use, now all of the fields that I customize the way I like to search are listed here. Just note that if you need a certain field for, say, one time, you can come down here and click next to the green plus box, which says Add a field to the search. So if I click in there, all of the available fields that I can search by will show up on the right. And I can start typing over here. So let's say I was looking for something like subdivision. Now subdivision's already here, but let's say I was looking for something like cooling, because they only wanted refrigerated air. So I could go over here and do cooling and do refrigerated, and basically it adds that field. Now it's only going to be added for that one time, okay? So if you want to add that permanently, again, you would want to go up to Preferences, My Quick Searches, and edit your search to again change the layout of that. So I hope that helps in helping you customize the way that you search for properties in FlexMLS. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at bluecrewhelp@gmail.com.